In this episode of Beardchanics Garage, we are going to show you how you can easily change the turbo inlet pipe and the elbow on your MQB platform car. That include Audi A3, Golf R, Skoda Octavia, and so on. Anyway, let's show you the tools we need and get it done.
Okay, this is all you'll actually need for this. Just a flathead screwdriver. Your star end. What size was it again?
T30.
T30. Yeah. We also used a 7mm socket. This was for the like the Jubilee clip because the it was at an angle that we couldn't get the screwdriver in. And yeah, basically used this. I forget what these are called, but a large pair of pliers would also do the trick, and that's for
to remove those things that we forgot the name of too.
Forgot the name of that, but yeah, it's just for clamping that.
You can obviously remove those with other tools, but
yeah, a large pair of pliers or even a pair of mole grips, you can get them on there as well. But yeah, this is all we used.
First, let's see the part we've got. So, turbo elbow, VAG Sport.
We have a replacement pipe as well.
Yeah. So it's reinforced with steel.
Very nice.
Again, bigger and bigger, so you restrict the airflow. You don't restrict the airflow, you remove the restriction of the airflow that is normally in the OEM part. But we'll take the OEM part out and we can put them next to each other and compare. Yep. Okay, so what we are changing is here we've got a reg box with a filter, K&N filter in there, if you've seen our previous episode. So what we are changing today is the pipe between here and down here. You see this is connected to the turbo elbow. So we'll have to unplug this, unplug that, undo that, take it all out and put the new one in.
Yep, so let's get this first clip. That's it. There we go.
Easy.
That's one. And under here we've got a Jubilee clip. As you see just under there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what size the...
Yeah, they could have aligned that better, aren't they?
Yeah. It fits.
Hey! It's a 7, guys.
It's a 7. Right, let's see if that's loose enough. There we go.
I think it was loose enough.
Yeah. Oh, I did squeeze it.
So before removing the elbow, you want to remove that.
Yep.
You can see the little teeth on the side.
Yeah.
That's it. Push
So
your
I
hand.
just sort of squeezed in and pulled up.
Right. So for the screw down there, you want a star pattern, size T30. And here we don't want to lose. Yeah. Yeah, you probably don't want to lose your screw.
I imagine not. Got it. Right. Oh, I see. There's a little washer on it.
Ah, and there we go. So all you have to do is push towards the cabin.
Yeah, push it towards the cabin and then pull it out. That's it. Nice and easy. Holds up quite nicely.
And there we go. So we've got our stock part out, new one in. So as you can see, they are quite different in size. This one obviously has more restriction. This one is more shiny. And yeah, let's put this one in and get some extra airflow. So you mount it in the same direction than the stock one. The only trick is to shove it in there. Yeah. And you want this sensor here to be right above this little notch there. So like that. And then you just pull it towards you. There we go. Little screw is aligned. So make sure you haven't lost your screw. We can put this little guy back in as well, so it doesn't get in the way. Go back to our screwdriver. The same star pattern T30. If it's nice and tight, there you go. All good. Guys,
it wasn't.
Two different size. 60 to 80 mil, and that's a 70 to 90. Because this end is bigger than this end.
See, the elbow end's the smaller end.
Yep.
And your airbox is the bigger one.
Yeah, that should be good. And then we want to do the same with this one. Be easier if we got it that way. Yeah.
Easier?
I don't know if it's easier. It's kind of look like need to make sure you're low enough. Yeah, I think we've passed the little metal ring has passed the little bump.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean, in the elbow. So normally if we tie it up, it's not going to go anywhere. Yeah.
So plenty of footage of Jules manhandling his pipe.
That's right. You've got to admit it's a pretty big pipe.
It's a big one. It looks impressive. That's not going anywhere. There's one other thing as well, just to point out, is you know it's the right way when you've got your logo on display. So it's back down there.
Right.
So if you've got VAG on display, then you're good. Okay, good stuff.
Alright, get it started, I guess.
Yes.
See, did you broke it or not?
Bang. Oh, well, that's a good sign.
Not broken yet.
That's good. She started. Yeah, that's it.
Have to be tough sometime, you know?
Yeah. Bit heavier-handed.
Yeah. So far, so good.
Yep.
Hasn't exploded yet.
Okay, you're all clear.
Take the back roll.
Yeah. So I haven't been here enough to remember how it sounded before. But how do you think it sounds?
Well, you haven't been since we've done the air filter as well, haven't you?
No. You
need to be careful in this weather, even on a country road. You've got kids and stuff enjoying their bike.
Yeah.
But oof!
I can see it.
Woo! There's few little here. So right, we're nearly there. As long as I can keep it under the brake pedal, we'll just have to drive with 1 foot instead of 2. Well, while we're here, we might as well do a little 0 to 60 with Draghi.
Yeah, I thought we would.
Last time we did a 4.7, I think, with you in. Wow! Sound of that.
Yeah.
What was it? Looks like an MX-5,
I think
but
it was.
It was
I think it was, yeah.
supercharged, maybe?
Could be.
Or maybe engine swap, but that's not how an MX-5 even a turbo one sound.
No, that's not a normal sounding one.
Yeah.
Definitely look like an MX-5 though.
Yeah. But yeah, very distinctive sound, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, so we had 4.
Drag is getting ready. Oh yeah, when we did with you in the car, it was a 4.7, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, my memory's terrible.
So that way we can see. Should be okay.
Acceleration is intense.
I'll show you actually while we're here. I don't know if I end up showing you this bit of road.
No, I didn't see it last time.
Oh, it's a lovely bit of country road.
Yeah?
Sorry guys, we'll tell you about the Draghi in a minute.
See, people have been doing all donuts and stuff there. See the tyre marks on the road.
Oh, I didn't see. Paying attention to where I'm going. Huh?
Yeah. That's why it's nice to be a passenger. Normally I'm always the one driving.
Yeah, look.
Great sounding car, this as well. Cool beans.
Alright.
Then.
Yeah, hold on, let's just do the conclusion.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Sorry.
And there you go, guys. So, you know, we had a little drive around. Well, quite a long drive around in the end.
Nice drive, actually.
Yeah. But the 0 to 16, roughly the same condition that we've done when we were together, actually increased a bit. We obviously haven't done multiple runs, so you know it could be the out of luck, but it does feel, I don't know, I feel like a difference. I do feel like it's pushing the gear more. So, you know, without any mapping, you know, that's already good. So
that is good. It was a relatively inexpensive modification and quite easy to fit as well.
Yeah.
So again, we managed it. So
yeah, exactly. If we can do it, you guys too. Huh? You just order it on that one. It's just really easy. Huh? 1 clip, 2 clips, 1 screw, and put it all back in, and off you go.
Yeah, it's quite an easy one.
That's right.
So,
anyway, guys, like, subscribe, check out our old videos, check us on Instagram, and see you into the next one.
Yes, see you next time. Bye bye.